Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, red color and yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use green color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.